In primetime news this evening, enforcement lacking. Opposition demands stronger action for breaching COVID protocols as COVID cases soar. Sticking to the plan, government adamant face-to-face classes and PEP exams will go on. And under pressure, COVID protocols threatening Manchester school.
Understands the concerns. There is no need for such an action at this time.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on calls for the suspension of face-to-face classes in the wake of the recent spike in COVID-19 cases?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.